Today we have Moto Edge 60 Fusion, and in this video I'm gonna show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. This phone comes with this amazing feature called quick launch. So if you will double tap on the back of your smartphone, then it will launch any application or enable any tool. If you want to customize this, then open your settings, scroll down, select gestures, again scroll down and then select quick launch. Select settings. As you can see from here, you can select any of these actions. You can select screenshot, screen recording, etc. But if you want to set any application, then select open app. It will show you all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Select your favorite application, and now whenever you will double tap on the back of your phone like this, then it will quickly open that specific application. This phone comes with two control panels, so if you don't like this one and you want to set the second one, then open your settings, scroll down, select home and lock screen, select control center and then select modern style. Now if you will swipe down from the right side, it will open your control center, and if you will swipe down from the left side, then it will open your notification bar. You can also switch like this, and if you want to change the sides, then click on this setting icon and then select the second option. Now if you will swipe from the left side, it will open your control panel, and from the right side, then it will open your notification bar. If you will try to take a screenshot by using your three fingers like this, then you won't be able to do that, but there's a separate gesture for this. Again, use your three fingers and then tap and hold on the display like this. That's how you can click a screenshot. When your phone is locked, anyone can access your control center and change any of those settings. But if you want to disable this, then open your settings, scroll down, select home and lock screen, select control center, then disable it from here. Now whenever your phone is locked, if someone will open your control panel, then they won't be able to do that. There is an amazing gesture to quickly launch your camera application. For example, if you're using any application and you quickly want to launch your camera application, then you can rotate your wrist like this twice, then it will launch your camera application. If you will open your camera application, then it will always open it in photo mode. But if you want to set a different one, then open your settings, scroll down and then select keep last mode. Now if you will close your application with the portrait mode on and you will reopen it, then it will always open it in portrait mode. You can set your favorite mode, and now whenever you will reopen it, it will open in that mode. By default, this phone doesn't show your battery percentage. If you want to enable this, then open your settings, select battery, and then enable battery percentage from here. Then it will start showing your battery percentage in the status bar. If you don't have enough time to charge your phone fully and you are in a hurry, then you can use the next feature. In the same battery settings, you will see an option called charge boost. Click on this and then enable this. Now it will increase the charging speed, but keep in mind, if you will use this regularly, then this may decrease the lifespan of your phone's battery. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply enable the next feature, open your settings, select notifications, select notification history and then enable it from here. Now it will save all the notifications from all the applications, and you can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. from here as well. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it as your power menu, then open your settings, select gestures, select power button, and from here select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. In the same power settings, you will see an option called double press. So right now if you will double press your power button, then it will launch Moto AI. You can also select camera from here. Now if you will double press your power button, then it will launch your camera application. But if you want to disable this, then simply select no action. Now if you will double press your power button, then it will simply lock your smartphone. There is another handy gesture to quickly launch your flashlight. Simply shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will shake it again, then it will turn it off. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen and multitask easily with the help of this split screen feature. To use this, open your first application, come to your home screen and then open the second application. Put it in recent apps click on this little arrow and then select split screen and then select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of the split screen feature. You can fully customize your smartphone. You can change the font style, icon style, and a lot of animations. To do that, tap and hold on your home screen and then select personalize. From here, you can change the font of your smartphone. Simply select your favorite one and then come back. That will change the font of your smartphone. You can change the UI color of your smartphone. To do that, click on colors. Here you have different colors. You can also select color palette from here. Select your favorite one and then click on save. Again, click on save. That will change the UI color of your smartphone. If you want to change the icon shape, here you have 5 options. Select your favorite one and then click on save. That will change the shape of the icons in your smartphone. You can fully customize your lock screen as well. In the same personalized settings, select lock screen. From here, you can change the clock style. You can change the notification style. You have 3 different options. And you can also change these quick access application from your locked screen. Select your favorite or most usable ones and then come back. You can change the fingerprint animation if you're using fingerprint lock. Here you have 3 different options. Select your favorite one. This phone also comes with this edge lighting. Here you have different options. You can select your favorite one. You can enable it for incoming calls, alarms, and app notifications. Now if someone will call you or your alarm will go off, then it will show edge lighting, something like this. If you're giving this phone to any elderly person, then you can use this display size and text feature in the same personalized settings. You can increase or decrease the size of the fonts like this. And here are some themes as well. You don't have to download any of these. They are already saved in your smartphone. Simply select your favorite one, then it will change the theme of your smartphone. If you listen to music a lot, then you will love the next feature. Open your settings, select sound and vibration, scroll down to the bottom and then select media control. Enable this. Now if you are listening to music and your phone is locked, if you will long press your volume up button, then it will play the next song, and if you will long press your volume down button, then it will play the previous song. You can also use the smart sidebar feature to multitask in your smartphone. Open your settings, select gestures, select sidebar and then enable it. From here, you will start seeing a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. Swipe to the left to open the sidebar. Click on OK. By default, it has some applications. If you want to edit this, then click on settings and then remove unnecessary applications from here. You can also add your favorite or most usable one. Now whenever you will open any application from here, it will open it in floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. You can resize it from the corner like this, drag and drop it anywhere. So if you like to multitask, then you can definitely use this smart sidebar feature. You can make the dual of messenger application like Instagram and WhatsApp. To do that, open your settings and then select apps and then select cloned app. Right now I don't have these applications. If you have those, then it will start showing here and you can easily clone them as well. You can also lock your application from this same app settings. Scroll down a little and then you will see app lock. Click on this, set your lock method, and then that's how you can lock your application in the smartphone as well. If you're using 3-button navigation and you want to change the order of these, then simply open your settings, select gestures, select system navigation, and then click on this little setting icon. From here you can change the order of these. You can also set the gesture navigation, and now you can go back like this, open your recent apps like this and jump to your home screen like this. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Moto Edge 60 Fusion. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.